In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add multiple accounts on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up TikTok app. And then first off, navigate to your profile, and once you did that, just tap at the very top at your TikTok account name, and in that pop-up you can easily switch between all of your TikTok accounts. And also, in order to add new account, just hit where it says add account, and then you will be able either to sign up using these methods or log into your existing account. Once you've done with that, your new TikTok account will be added right here, and you will be able to switch between your accounts in that way. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.